In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to contact eToro support. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to eToro.com and then log into your account. You can also go over to a new tab and then click in eToro support like so. And as you can see, the customer service center right here, and then you can click start chatting by clicking right here, and then you will need to log into your account like you usually would. But from here, it should look something like this. And get inside of the support page, you'll simply need to head over to the right hand corner and go over to these little 3 stars up here, right beside the notification. Once from here, you'll be able to see welcome to Tori, and you'll simply need to click agree right here. And then from here, you'll be able to ask Tori and then ask the specific contact information or question that you have for eToro support, and then the AI will answer, and if the AI can't, it will send you over to the actual eToro support that a real human being can then help you out. But as I do it, if you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!